Winter is coming, and with it, the battle of winter tire dominance. Today, we are putting two of the biggest names to the test, the Michelin X-Ice Snow and the brand new Continental UltimateContact Winter, exclusively available only at Canadian Tire. One is a proven champion, while the other is Continental's latest effort to shake up the startless winter tire market. Throughout this comparison, you will see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Michelin X-Ice Snow set as the reference point at 100%. Let's start with ice performance, one of the most critical factors in winter tires. The X-Ice Snow stops 6% shorter on ice compared to the UltimateContact Winter. That extra grip can be the difference between a safe stop and a slide. But what about snow? Michelin edges out Continental by only just 1%. A small margin, but every bit counts when traction means control. Now in wet, here's where Continental fights back. In wet conditions, the UltimateContact Winter pulls ahead by 7%, delivering better braking and hydroplaning resistance. It's also a similar story on dry asphalt. The Continental stops 4% shorter and feels sharper around corners, but Michelin regains ground on comfort. The X-Ice Snow offers a quieter, smoother ride, outperform Continental by 6% in this category. How about rolling resistance? Continental edges it by 2%, which means slightly better fuel efficiency. A small win for EV owners looking to stretch their range. So, what's the verdict? If you're after the best performance on ice and snow, the Michelin X-Ice Snow is still king. But if wet and dry performance are high on your list, the Continental UltimateContact Winter is a worthy contender.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.